Hi, welcome to my channel. Uh, if this is the first time you are visiting this channel, I can ready to hit the subscribe button. Okay, let's learn about some fun stuff. So today we want to learn about how we can install data desktop locally so that we can be able to set host our anytime website. Uh, so without wasting my time, let's dive into what I have for you today. What is a data desktop? It is a user-friendly application that allows you to build, share, and then it helps you to activate your application to share it. You can be able to do whatever that you want to do with that application in that uh, um, space. It also provides you the graphical interface and other things as well. Uh, so this session is just for me to give you a brief overview of what the data desktop is about. If you already know it, then I suggest I just put a particular minutes and then you move to the part that we actually do the practical part of it. But then don't forget to subscribe by hitting the subscribe button below as well. Difference here in application development, like I said, it has a user-friendly interface, and then it cross platform, it has a cross-platform compatibility as well, and then it has a better way of managing continuous images and then efficiency as well. Alright, so benefits. So isolation, yes, isolation. I just mentioned it earlier. So it prevents conflicts with other applications where reproducibility and set consistent behavior across machines, ease of use, flexibility, and maintenance. Yeah. So let me just take you through the steps in installing the data desktop. So you first have to get the software downloaded. I shared in the link with you. Uh, First, you have to get the software downloaded. You can check the description for a link to download the data desktop. And then after downloading, you follow the instructions to install. And then after installation, then you check the verification for as well. Yes, and then after that, then you move to setting add the n8n environment on it so you can be able to run the n8n application. Uh, from here, I want to zoom into the practical part where we have to install the data application and then set up the n8n environment for you to see. So I can also introduce the same thing. App installed on the on our laptop or on our system. So what we have to do next is to look for the n8n container to install. So here we first type in n8n, and then we look for the one with the mini downloads and then rating. So we have your 100 million class. So we just have to pull this. So pulling this means that we are kind of downloading it into, we are downloading the image into our container or our environment, and then we can be able to do the installation from there. So you see that after everything, you have to, if you check here, this is the progress bar for our installation. So you just have to patiently wait for it, and then if when we done with the installation, if you take us there, then we can continue from there. As you can see, we have the installation done, but we now have to start with the configuration. So what we do first is to click on the start from here, and then you see the optional settings. Make sure that you click on the drop down here. Now you are trying to configure your container. You now just have to give it a container name. Yeah, but before that, let's remember to you have to create a folder where you can be able to store all the data or the files with regards to this particular container. So quickly we can just go into any. I will choose the desktop. Into the desktop here, and then create a new folder for n8n container. Okay, so then we n8n data 2025. Okay, yeah, so this is where our file. So what we have to do here is to do it on an element container. Then the port you take to access your n8n application. If you have 5678, you can use the I would say I choose the 5678. And the host, this you have to select the path for your installation. So remember you created a folder in the desktop system, so you just have to select that. Now your container path is where you have to the container path. You just have to type slash home slash node slash dot and it's yes, and after this, all that you have to do is just to click on run. Let's see what magic we have there. Yes, allow. Yeah, so you can see that there's something running in the background. If everything is successful, then if you give us a URL to be able to locally access anything faster. Alright, so whilst we're having our installation, and don't forget to subscribe. So anytime I post a video like this, you'll be the first person to get a notification on it. There are a lot of details here. Okay, so when you see this, you will know that your system is ready. A data is now accessible via HTTP slash localhost 5678. Remember 5678 is the port number that you use. So here you just have to click on. So it's going to take it to the n8n desktop.com. You just have to, the first time you have to sign up with your email address, your first name, and then your password. So here I'm using, let me use my second email address, and then here, my name is Sandra, my last name Dodo, password, password, alright, so no, I don't want to, so I just continue. So this is the homepage for anything else. So you just have to make a quick. Yeah, so let me just do something just to myself. Yeah, so depending on what you're using it for, you just have to select it. Yeah, just select It's good bit. So we click on start from scratch, then uh, so let me see if text a start figure. Yes, make it public. Uh, how can I assist you today? So usually this where you can give introductory message to your agent. Your assistant. How can I do that? How can I help you today? How can I assist you today? So you just say, yeah. So take, that. Yeah. So and it's the other environment setting. So in our subsequent videos, we check how you can use this particular platform to be able to create a lot more uh, agents or workflows or AI systems. So again, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. So that anytime I post a video and stuff like this, AI automation, web development, and anything like this, you'll be the first person to get a notification. Yes, I know. All right, thank you very much.